Assalamu alaikum. This is our first lesson in chemistry grade 9, the structure of the atom. The objectives of this video are: list the characteristics of each of the fundamental particles of the atom, the location, the relative charge, and the mass. Identify the atomic number Z and the mass number A. First, let's watch this video about the atom.
Atoms are the building blocks of matter. Your books, your pencils, your clothes, and even the air are made up of atoms. Atoms are extremely small. They cannot be seen with the naked eye, or even a magnifying glass. The word atom comes from the ancient Greek word atomos, which means indivisible. For example, if you take a block of gold and chop it in half again, and again, and again, for a very, very long time, you would eventually get to a point where you can cut no more and be left with the smallest piece of gold possible, an individual gold atom.
So, what is an atom? The atom is the smallest particle that the matter can consist of. An atom is an indivisible particle of matter. The parts of the atom: the nucleus and the electron cloud. The fundamental particles of an atom: protons, electrons, and neutrons. Protons and neutrons are located inside the nucleus, while the electrons in the electron cloud. Protons and neutrons are called nucleons, since they consist the nucleus. Properties of subatomic particles. Subatomic particles are protons, electrons, and neutrons. The location of protons is the nucleus, the location of electrons in the electron cloud, while the neutrons inside the nucleus. The relative charge of protons is 1 plus for each proton. Of electrons is 1 minus for each electron. The relative charge of neutrons is 0. The symbol of proton is P plus. The symbol of electrons is E minus, while the symbol of neutrons is N0. The mass of one proton in U is the unit of atomic mass. The mass of one proton is 1 U. The mass of one electron is 1 over 1830, approximately 0 unit, while the mass of one neutron is 1 U. Atoms are neutral, having 0 charge, so the atom does not have an electric charge. Its electric charge is 0. Number of protons equal number of electrons, since an atom is neutral. Application: the adjacent figure represents the nucleus of an atom. How many electrons the adjacent atom has? So, we count the number of protons: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This atom has 6 protons, so the number of electrons is 6, since the atom is neutral. Atomic number Z. The atomic number Z is the number of protons. An atom is identified by its atomic number Z. Z is unique for each element. How much is the atomic number Z of this atom? We count the number of protons. The number of protons equal 6, so the atomic number Z is 6. The mass number A. A is the total number of protons and neutrons, is the number of nucleons. A equal number of protons plus number of neutrons. As a rule, A equals Z plus N. A is the mass number, Z is the atomic number, and N is the number of neutrons. How much is the mass number A of this atom? This atom has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. The mass number A is the number of protons plus number of neutrons, so the mass number A of this atom is 12. The assignment is to study the related note in the extra sheet as a homework, the application in the extra sheet 1. Assalamu alaikum.